Jody, I know you go all the time to get pedicures. I figure it's time for me to go and get a pedicure. I'm kind of excited about it. I usually do it myself.
Yeah, but don't do those stone things. Don't do the thing with the rocks.
No, well, I might though. I've never done it. I really would like to just pamper my feet. Do they you put your feet in and they do a little rock thing? That would be nice, I think.
Yeah, they take the rocks and they put them on your legs and bang them against your legs a little bit, which should be soothing, but it's really not.
But-
Sometimes it can burn you.
Oh, but I might like that little feeling of the massage. I think it gets this blood circulating in your feet. And then after I get all that blood down there and my toes, and then I'm gonna get to pick a color.
Yeah, that's the point of it. But once I did that, and they didn't wash the stones off in between people, and I think I got like a little infection in my foot, like other people's foot stuff.
Oh, yeah, but they changed the water now. I think they got cited for that. So I think now they change the water all the time. I know they put chemicals in. So
Oh yeah, but
I'm
those
not-
chemicals are bad for you, Glenna.
Oh, but they rinse them off. You know, they put them in to sterilize the little tubs, and then they rinse them off. So I think I'll be fine.
But they put the stones in like the microwave.
Oh, but then they're warm, right?
Yeah, yeah, and they put the towels in the microwave, and they're hot.
But that's sterilizing them, so that's good.
Yeah, but it gets really, really hot, Glenna, and I know you have sensitive hearts.
I like hot, actually. I do like, the warmer the better. Even when they're washing my hair, I don't like when they use cold water. I like when it's hot. So I think I'd like hot on my feet, too. I think I'm going to give it a try.
Okay, buyer beware. I tried to warn you about, all the germs and stuff.
But your feet always look so good, Jody. You always get a pedicure, a manicure, and I really want to try that.
Okay. All right. But, you're retired now, so just saying, you gotta watch your...
Oh, yeah, it is money, but, I'm worth it.
No, but I love you, Glenna, no matter what color your toes are.
Thank you.
All right, thank you guys, very nice. What are we doing